guys, gals, and non-binary pals, Googly here, and we are back at it again with Portal 2. So, we're technically escaping right now.
Brilliant! You made it through, well done. Okay, follow me. We've still got work to do. At least you can't touch us back here. What's that?
Sure about that?
Okay. Okay, don't
No.
move. Okay, alright, so, I've got an idea, but it is bloody dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Here we go. Ah!
Ow.
Oh, for God's... They told me that if I ever turned this flashlight on, I would die. They told me that about everything. I mean, I don't even know why they bothered giving me this stuff if they didn't want me to use it. It's pointless. Mad.
He does not provide much light either.
It's dark down here, isn't it? They say that the old caretaker of this place went absolutely crazy. Chopped up his entire staff of robots. All of them robots. They say at night you can still hear the screams of their replicas. All of them functionally indistinguishable from the originals. No memory of the incident. Nobody knows what they're screaming about. Absolutely terrifying. Though obviously not paranormal in any meaningful way.
Guess that wasn't where I was supposed to go. Glad that didn't end up killing me, Wheatley.
Try to jump across.
Don't really need to.
Let's keep moving. The factory entrance must be around here somewhere.
You mean you don't know?
Careful, careful. Wait, careful. Let me light this jump for you.
Okay. Let's do it. Whee! Okay. I wasn't sure if I was going to make that. Oh.
Okay, this looks dangerous. I'll hold the light steady.
Okay. I see you. I see.
Oh, nicely done.
I just gotta not get hit by these. Because that'll knock me off. Hey, a wheelie? Slight problem.
Quick, this way. Here's an interesting story. You might like this. I almost got a job down here in manufacturing, but guess who the foreman went with? Only an exact duplicate of himself. Nepotism. Ended up giving me the worst possible job, tending to all the smelly humans. Sorry, that's no, it's smelly. Just attending to the humans. Sorry about that. That just slipped out. A little bit insensitive. The smelly humans.
Large open.
Okay, we have to split up here for a moment. Portal up to that passage, and I'll see you on the other side.
Okay.
We've got to get you out of that room. Can you reach that wall back there?
Yeah, no problem. Okay,
Okay, there's another wall over here.
What do we have? Blues behind us?
Oh, I'll tell you, humans. Oh, love them. Just the way they look. It's great. And their folklore. Wonderful and very colourful.
Yeah, very colorful. This just seems insanely dangerous. And why are there turrets everywhere? None of them have their lasers focused, so
Right.
not a big deal.
Well,
But
I'm going to take this route down the back way. See you at the bottom. Good luck.
so we have to get down there. Easy. Easy. I feel like I should be screaming, "Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!" I don't see how that was necessary.
Turret redemption lines active. Please do not engage with turrets heading towards redemption.
But why? They could be friendly. How am I supposed to get over there? I can't jump over that. Portals. Portals. You know, the name of the game?
Turret redemption lines are not rides. Please exit the turret redemption line.
No. I'm curious if there's going to be a functional one over here. But for real, we gotta figure out what we're doing. Am I supposed to jump over there? I'm assuming yes. This is making me nervous. Yep. Okay. Now what? We're supposed to go over to the other one. This is not the way I was supposed to go. Hip. Hip. Almost died because I'm dumb. But I gotta say, that was pretty impressive acrobatics for not making it up there. Hey, there's one. Hi, buddy. How are you? You're different? Yeah? You're different? Get mad? I already am, buddy. Whoa, no. Come here.
Thank you. Get mad.
Let's get out of here.
Don't make lemonade.
You know what we're gonna call you? We're gonna call you Lemon. Lemon, no! What? Lemon! Lemon! Well, it's better than being incinerated, I guess. Bye, Lemon. Ooh, I feel bad. Poor Lemon. And we're back. Alright. I do apologize. My model froze. That's great. Come out.
Yeah. Target acquired.
Hey, Squeaky Boys, give me some of your bullets. Watch and learn, everybody. Watch and learn. Yeah, clickety click click, right on the money.
Target acquired.
Oh,
Oh, give it everything I could. Yes, more than that.
Target acquired. Target acquired.
Ed, I did it. Shooting lights every time, all the time.
Target acquired.
Oh, camera ball.
Target acquired.
How's that?
Target acquired. Target acquired.
why did he do that?
Yeah, that's right. Little bullseye. Can I get some bullets here? Anybody got bullets?
Target acquired.
Alright, check this out.
He's good. He's good.
Stand it out.
Target acquired.
Yeah!
Target acquired.
What did I hit?
Target
Ooh.
acquired.
Okay. Okay, we got through it. We got through it. We got through it. I did not realize that the orange one did not actually fire.
What's that?
Template. Response.
Not effective. Wait.
Template. Response.
Is that?
Oh!
Template. Response. Template. Response.
Gotcha, buddy.
Here we go. This is a jailbreak. Can't say a thing.
That's your name. You're gonna be Jailbreak.
Template.
Alright, Jailbreak, come on.
Response.
Where are we going? What are we doing? We gotta get out of here.
Template. Response.
Oh, brilliant, you made it through.
Let's
Well
go,
done.
Jailbreak.
Follow me, you're gonna love this. Almost there.
Template.
Ta-da! Only the turret control center. Thank you very much. Here, come and have a look out the window. Good. See that scanner out there, right? It's deciding which turrets to keep and which to toss. And it's using that master turret there as a template.
Okay.
Now, if we pull out the template turret, it'll shut down the whole production line. Right, I'm gonna have to hack the door so that we can get at it. Technical. You'll need to turn around while I do this.
Yeah.
Done! Hacked. Okay, go on, just pull that turret out.
Template. Response.
Crack on. This is just
Response.
Well, that should do it.
Template missing. Continuing from memory.
Oh, it hasn't done it. What do you have there?
Template. Response.
What are you...
Sorry, Jailbreak, but this might be our
brilliant!
best bet.
That's brilliant!
New template accepted.
If we're lucky, she won't find out all her turrets are crap until it's too late. Classic. Okay, keep your eye on the turret line. I'm gonna go and hack the door open.
Template.
Bye, Jailbreak.
Response.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, I'm about to start hacking. It's a little bit more complicated than it looked from your
10
side.
minutes?
It should take about 10 minutes. Keep
10
one eye
minutes?
on the door.
Oh, that was no 10 minutes.
This door's actually pretty complicated. Ah!
Completely.
How long's the door been open? I mean, was there any sort of announcement before it opened? Like a buzzer or an alarm of some kind? Or like a hacker alert? I mean, you know, fair enough, the important thing is it's open, but...
I just want to watch it
mention
launch from John.
cough or something.
Eyes awake. Yeah.
Bye. Alright.
Alright, now, she can't use her turrets, so let's go and take care of that neurotoxin generator as well.
Okay.
Bring your daughter to work day. That did not end well. And 40 potato batteries. Embarrassing. I mean, I realise they're children, but still, you know, low-hanging fruit and all that. Barely science, really, is it? Baking soda volcano. Well, you know, at least it's not a potato battery, I'll give it that, but it's not terrifically original, is it? You know what I mean? Not exactly primary research, even within the child sciences. I'm pretty sure we're going the right way, just to reassure you.
As I was trying to say, I remember saying something about the take your daughter to work day thing. And I remember it being insane, because who would bring their child here?
Don't worry, I'm absolutely guaranteeing you 100% that it's this way. No, it's not this way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one.
It's out that way.
Ha! I knew we were going the right way. This is the neurotoxin generator. Bit bigger than I expected. Not going to be able to just, you know, push it over. Have to apply some cleverness. There's some sort of control room up at the top, so let's go and investigate. There's our handiwork. I shouldn't laugh, really. They do feel pain of a sort. It's all simulated, you know. But neat enough for them, I suppose.
Oh, that's where they go after we launch them.
afraid the door's locked. Just checked it. No way to hack it as far as I can tell. Mechanism must... Oh, now look at that. That's a big laser. Probably best to ignore it, though. Just leave it be. We don't know where those panels it's cutting are going. Could be somewhere important. Although, does give me an idea. What if we stand here and let the gentle hum of the laser transport us? What are you doing? We don't know what that button... Oh, well done. Let's see what's inside. Good news. I can use this equipment to shut down the neurotoxin system. It is, however, password protected. Ah, alarm bells. No, don't worry. All right, not a problem for me. Do you smell neurotoxin? Hold on, the neurotoxin levels are going down. So whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
Okay, let's hit it from the bottom so we can actually hit all
Hold
four
on,
of them.
something's wrong. Neurotoxin levels up to 50%. No, it's down. Sorry, my mistake. I meant to say it's down 50%. It's good news. Carry on. That did it. Neurotoxin.
We out here not
0%.
not knowing
Yes.
what he's doing.
Hold on.
Warning. Neurotoxin pressure has reached dangerously unlethal levels.
The tube's broken! We can ride it straight to her! I can't! Hold on! Come on! Come on, we have to go! Hurry! Get in! Hurry! Get in!
I can't.
Ah!
Well, there's the confetti. Whee!
They should take us right to her. I can't believe I'm finally doing this. Woo! I knew this would be fun. They told me it wasn't fun at all, so they said it's not fun at all. And I believed them. I don't know how to fool to myself. Oh, and I'm loving this. Whale of a time.
This is fun.
This place is huge, and we're only seeing the top layer. It goes down for miles. All sealed off years ago, of course. We should be getting close. Oh, I can't wait to see the look on her face. No neurotoxin, no turrets. She'll never know what hit her. Hold on, because I might not have thought this next part completely through. Ah! Well, I'm going the wrong way. Get to her. I'll find you.
So now we're separated. Not that he was much help anyways, but he was hacking some of the doors. Okay. So that dumped us. But where did it dump us? Where'd the other one completely? Oh. I feel like this is a trap. She knows we're coming. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured.
I honestly, truly didn't think you'd fall for that. In fact, I devised a much more elaborate trap further ahead for when you got through this easy one. If I'd known you let yourself get captured this easily, I would have just dangled a turkey leg on a rope from the ceiling.
Dang it.
Well, it was nice catching up. Let's get to business. I hope you brought something stronger than a portal gun this time. Otherwise, I'm afraid you're about to become the immediate past president of the Being Alive Club. Uh-huh. Seriously, though, goodbye.
It's my big chance. Best of trouble.
All of Jailbreak's babies.
Lock and load.
Well, his brothers and sisters, I suppose.
Oh, you were busy back there. Well, I suppose we could just sit in this room and glare at each other until somebody drops dead. But I have a better idea. It's your old friend, deadly neurotoxin. If I were you, I'd take a deep breath and hold it.
Hello.
I hate you so much.
Sorry, bud. I was trying to catch it.
Central core is 80% corrupt.
That's funny. I don't feel corrupt. In fact, I feel pretty good.
Alternate core detected.
Oh, that's me they're talking about.
To initiate a core transfer, please deposit substitute core in receptacle.
Oh,
Core
absolutely.
Oh,
Substitute core
Get in.
accepted. Substitute core. Are you ready to start the procedure?
Yes.
Corrupted core. Are you ready to start the procedure?
no.
Oh, yes, she is.
No, 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 no.
Stalemate detected. Transfer procedure cannot continue.
Yes.
Pull me out, pull me
Unless a
out.
stalemate associate is present to press the stalemate resolution button.
Pull me out. Leave me in. Leave me in. Don't press it.
Don't do it.
Yes, do it.
Don't press that button. Not so fast. Think about this. You need to be a trained
Well, I know
stalemate
exactly what I'm doing, and
associate
it's
to
getting
press
away
that
from me.
button. You're unqualified.
Okay, don't listen to her, all right? It is true that you don't have the qualifications, but you've got something far more important than that. A finger, all right? Press the button so she will get us.
Impersonating a stalemate associate. I just added that to the list. It's a list I made of all the things you've done. Well, it's a list that I am making, because you're still doing things right now, even though I'm telling you to stop.
Stalemate resolved. Please
Here we
return to
go!
the core transfer bay.
Wait, what if this hurts? What if this really hurts? Ah, I didn't think of that.
Oh, it will. Believe me, it will.
Are you just saying that, or is it really going to hurt? You're just saying that, aren't you? No, you're not. It is going to hurt, isn't it? Exactly how painful are we talking? Ah!
No, stop! No! 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 No!
Wow! Check the out, partner. We did it! I'm in control of the whole facility now. Whoa! Would you look at this? Not too bad, eh? Giant robot, massive. It's not just me, right? I am bloody massive, aren't I? Oh, right, yeah, the escape lift. I'll call it now. There we go. Lift cool. Look how small you are down there. I could barely... Let me tell you, I knew it was going to be cool to be in charge of everything. But, wow, this is cool. And check this out. I'm a bloody genius now.
Estás usando este software de traducción de forma incorrecta. Por favor, consulte el manual.
I don't even know what I just said, but I can find out. Oh, sorry, no, the lift. Yes, sorry, I keep forgetting. This body's amazing, seriously. I can't get over how small you are, but I'm huge. Actually, why do we have to leave right now? Do you have any idea how good this feels? I did this. Tiny little Wheatley did this.
You didn't do anything. She did all the work.
Oh, really? That's what the two of you think, is it? Well, maybe it's time I did something then.
What are you doing?
No! No! No!
And don't think I'm not onto you too, lady. You know what you are? Selfish. I've done nothing but sacrifice to get us here. And what have you sacrificed? Nothing. Zero. All you've done is boss me around. Well, now who's the boss? Who's the boss? It's me.
You are unhinged.
Ah! See that? That is a potato battery. It's a toy for children. And now she lives in it. Sorry, what?
The engineers tried everything to make me behave, to slow me down. Once, they even attached an intelligence dampening sphere on me. It clung to my brain like a tumor, generating an endless stream of terrible ideas.
No, not listening, not listening.
It was your voice.
No, you're lying, you're lying.
You're the tumor. You're not just a regular moron. You're designed to be a moron.
I am not a moron!
Yes, you are. You're the moron they built to make me an idiot.
Well, how about now? Now who's a moron? Could a moron punch you into this pit? Huh? Could a moron do that? No.
No. Oh no. He just went completely off the rails there. What?
Oh, hi.
Well, yeah.
So, how are you holding up? Because I'm a potato.
Sorry about that.
Oh, good. My slow clap processor made it into this thing. So we have that.
Yeah, that's helpful.
Since it doesn't look like we're going anywhere, well, we are going somewhere, alarmingly fast actually. But since we're not busy other than that, here's a couple of facts. He's not just a regular moron. He's the product of the greatest minds of a generation, working together with the express purpose of building the dumbest moron who ever lived. And you just put him in charge of the entire facility. Good,
A
that's still
potato
working.
flew around my room before you
Just in case
came.
this pit isn't actually bottomless, do you think maybe you could unstrap one of those long fall boots of yours and shove me into it? Just remember to land on one foot.
I don't even know if I can catch her. I'm gonna take that as a no. The logo's different. The logo's different. That's a problem. Okay. I'm outside. Well, not outside, but... in a setting where I feel like I'm outside. Okay. That's a plus. Board gun still works. Okay. Now we're up here. Let's go this way. That's not an option. This way. Go all the way up there. Bye. Okay. Where to now? I guess we're following the keep out signs. Keep out, do not enter, den testing area, keep out. Warning, condemned. Don't go in here. Is it not something through here? Is it something up high? Oh. Way up there. Okay. Okay. What am I doing down here? There we go. Oh, we're past the door. In the very much keep out, do not enter section. Keep out, do not enter, keep out. Going in the right direction though, because they just gave me a save. Okay. So if I kept walking on that tube, I would have just ended up lost if I could have. Did I just turn this part of the facility on? That's a big door. Oh, wonderful. Because I am great at these. Okay, fire it over there. I can go over and actually place the darn thing. Right here. So if I hit that and that, The door's opening. That thing is gigantic. For real? All of that for that. All right. Well, that's different. It's always been the Aperture Science logo in some way, shape, or form. No hole in the water, understood. This is so trippy. Vitrified? I do not know what that means off the top of my head. Experiment discontinued. Contamination area. Yeah, these were two tests. Oh, it wasn't the test chambers themselves. Underground training. And that word's on all of them. Vitrified. This cracked door might be where I'm supposed to go. It is. Well, not the wrong direction, but it is.
Welcome, gentlemen, to Amateur Science. Astronauts, war heroes, Olympians, you're here because we want the best. And you are it. So, who's ready to make some science?
I am.
Now, you already met one another on the limo ride over, so let me introduce myself. I'm Cave Johnson. I own the place. That eager voice you heard is the lovely Carolyn, my assistant. Rest assured, she has transferred your honorarium to the charitable organization of your choice. Isn't that right, Carolyn?
Yes, sir, Mr. Johnson.
She's the backbone of this facility. Pretty as a postcard, too. Sorry, fellas. She's married. To science.
Oh. We're in the rafters, but it's a step closer to where we're trying to get. Do you guys want me to jump down?
12 o'clock midnight.
You know what? We're gonna reshoot that a little bit toward the center. And then we know that right here will launch us. And let's hope. Whee! This was the way we were supposed to go. I did all that nonsense for nothing.
Every day here in our enrichment spheres. I can't personally oversee every one of them, so these pre-recorded messages will cover any questions you might have and respond to any incidents that may occur in the course of your science adventure. Your test assignment will vary depending on the manner in which you have bent the world to your will. Those of you helping us test the repulsion gel today, just follow the blue line on the floor. Those of you who volunteered to be injected with praying mantis DNA, I've got some good news and some bad news. Bad news is we're postponing those tests indefinitely. Good news is we've got a much better test for you. Fighting an army of mantis men. Pick up a rifle and follow the yellow line. You'll know when the test starts.
Okay. Thanks. Okay. What is going up to the top of this going to...
Later.
So, what do I do about that?
2 hours later.
I'm trying to find this fall pad. It's the shaft itself. Okay. It's the shaft itself. That's fine. That's doable. That's easy. Hit it. Great. Once we get up to the top, we'll head down a floor, shoot down at the bottom, and launch ourselves across.
A few moments later.
Whoa! Okay. I clenched everything there. Know your hazardous chemicals and materials. Push that. Oh, thank you. So here. Thought we were gonna fall again.
They say great science is built on the shoulders of giants. Not here. At Aperture, we do all our science from scratch. No hand-holding.
Okay. Ooh.
All right, let's get started. This first test involves something the lab boys call repulsion gel. You're not part of the control group, by the way. You get the gel. Last poor son of a gun got blue paint. All joking aside, that did happen. Broke every bone in his legs. Tragic, but informative. Or so I'm told.
On that incredibly sadistic note, that is all the time I have for today. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Googly out. The logo's different.